Acer strong and rugged computer came in dead. While I get the board out, roll the intro. Let's check for shorted and burn components. This is a 3 and 5 volt IC that needs replaced. IC ordered, let's replace. With all the right voltages, we have a booting screen. Let's replace the old burnt up thermal paste. Let's reassemble the laptop and get the hard drive installed. Windows refuses to boot. On further checking, it's the hard drive that is customer agreed to upgrade to an SSD. Windows and data was successfully retrieved. You have a dead computer called Lloyd. He is at Kalina, Santa Cruz East.